Hi friends, here we are given two quadratic equations. Ax square plus 2bx plus 3, both small abc and capital ABC. These are two equations. Now we are given alpha beta roots of this equation and alpha plus delta and beta plus delta are roots of this equation. Then we have to find out, we have to prove b square minus 2ac, that is this b square minus ac by this b square minus ac is equal to this a by this a whole square. Right guys? Basically, we have to get a relation between small abc and capital ABC given their roots are related like this. Okay. Now, when the roots are related like this, what exactly we are saying? Alpha, beta roots. So, for example, 3, 2 are roots of some quadratic equation. What does that mean? What is the equation? X square minus 5x plus 3 times 2, 6. Then, let's say 6, 5 are roots of another equation. Okay. What does that mean? X square minus 11x, 6 plus 5, 11, plus 5, 6, 30. Here we are, this is something like this, right? 3, 2 and 6, 5. We have to find some relation between the coefficients here and here. That is what we have to find. Now, how do we find? Then first we have to find relation between these two. Okay. These two, for example, alpha beta and alpha plus delta, beta plus delta. How these are related? Say, for example, here 3 minus 2 equals 1 and 6 minus 5 equals 1. Whatever delta that you are taking. Let's say here the delta is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 6. If delta is 4, then it becomes 7. 6. Then also 7 minus 5 is still 1. Basically, the difference of the roots in this case and in this case is still same, right? Alpha minus beta is equal to alpha plus delta minus beta by delta, beta plus delta. This delta will cancel. So the difference of roots here and the difference of roots here both are same. Let's use that. The reference are same. That means alpha plus, let's say the roots of first equation is alpha beta and roots of second equation is p comma q. What we are saying, alpha minus beta is equal to p minus q. Right. But we know the formula for alpha plus beta and alpha beta. How do we express alpha minus beta? We know this, right? What is alpha minus beta whole square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4, 4 alpha beta. This is equal to alpha minus beta whole square. We know this, right? So, alpha minus beta, let us express in this form. When alpha minus beta equal to p minus q, what does that mean? Alpha minus beta whole square is also equal to p minus q whole square. What does that mean? Alpha minus beta whole square. We can express this in terms of alpha plus beta into and alpha beta. Sum of the roots and product of the roots. So, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha plus beta is equal to p plus q whole square minus 4 pq. Right? That's what we are trying to do. Right? The square of the difference of roots on both sides for both the equation should be equal. Okay. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus 2b by a. Right. This square minus 4 alpha beta. What is 4c by a? This should be equal to same exactly. Minus 2 capital B by capital A whole square minus 4 capital C by capital A. Right guys. What does that mean? Minus 2b square. This is 4b square, small b square, minus by a square is equal to, sorry, by a square, left hand side, I'm giving left hand side, minus 4c by a. What does that mean? This we can make it as total 4ac by a square, right? This is 4c by, okay, this one will become 4b square minus 4ac by a square. Right, 4b square minus 4ac by a square. This is left hand side. Similarly, right hand side is equal to 4 capital B square minus 4 capital A capital C capital A square. So, what we are left? We can cancel 4 on both sides. What does that mean? We'll be left with small b square minus ac by small a square is equal to 4 of 4, 4, 4 will get cancelled equals to capital B square minus ac by capital A square. What does that mean? B square minus AC, small b square minus AC by capital B square minus capital AC is equal to small a by capital A whole square. That is what we are trying to prove. Right. What we did very simple thing. When alpha plus delta and beta plus delta are roots of this equation, use the we just used the difference of roots in this case, and the difference of roots in this case is same. Right. Now, how to express difference of roots? Alpha minus beta. How to express? We can express using sum of the roots and product of the roots. Alpha minus beta whole square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Right, guys? Because alpha plus alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta will become alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, which is nothing but alpha minus beta whole square. Basically, we express difference of roots in terms of sum of roots and product of roots. That's it, guys. Thank you.